What's up, guys? Rocky TV here, and I kind of have a knife in my hand, but that's besides the point. I got this thing at Walmart, and it's this thing called On, and it's got all these like GoPro things in it, and it was only like $20, and I had some and I had some money, so I waited until I got home, and then now I'm gonna do this unboxing for you guys, and I hope you guys will like it. I don't really do these a lot because I don't buy a lot of stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you guys don't know, I have a GoPro Hero Session, the first one, not the Hero 5 or anything like that. But okay. Alright, so I cut the tape. But if you guys don't know, I have a GoPro Hero Session, and crap, come on. I have a GoPro Hero Session, and I don't really have a lot of mounts for it, so I don't really use it a lot, but I think I'll use it a lot more with this. Oh, it came with its own little sag. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and ski that on out of here. So this is what it looks like while it's in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. I don't know what all is supposed to come in here. I didn't know that I opened this before we got it, and there was a selfie stick in it, and yeah, it kind of already broke, so I'll show you guys it right now. It's just like a cheap little one. It's pretty long, but it broke right here and I had to tape it up. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what comes inside. Okay, so I know what some of this stuff is because I actually opened this before, but I want to do this unboxing video for you guys, so I went and just kind of put it all back in there the best that I knew, and then I'm going to do this unboxing. So this thing is so your GoPro can float in the water. That way if you drop it, then you can still have it and you'll be able to see it. Because I don't know about other people's GoPros, but mine sinks. Like, my GoPro isn't even that heavy, and it's like one of the smaller ones, and it just sinks. So we're going to go ahead, and that's the first thing. I'm going to put that back right where it was. This is the thing for the chest mount, which is up here, if you guys can see. I've never had a chest mount, and I've always really wanted one, and I believe that this thing was a steal, because just this alone, I looked on the GoPro webpage, I'm pretty sure it was like 20 bucks to 15 bucks just for that. And I know that this thing is supposed to either, I think it's supposed to go this way. I think you just slide it in there, yep. Just slide it in there, but this is the chest mount. This is the head mount right here. This is the one that you actually put on your head. And then over here, it's a suction cup to put on like your car or something. So like if you want to get some cool GoPro shots with the car, you can just suction cup it on there, and then, you know, adjust it the way you want it to, up, down, side, and then whatever mount you have on there will just slide in there, and then you'll be able to suction cup it. And then this either loosens the suction cup or it tightens it. So you probably always want that tight unless you want to lose a $150 GoPro plus. And then we just got some little mounts right here. I'll just go ahead and pull them all out. This is all of the little mounts that go to it. I'm pretty sure you can do different things with them. I'm pretty sure you can. This is so you can tighten down all the mounts. Like, it has this little hexagon thing, so you can just tighten them down like a little wrench. It's like plastic though, so I don't really trust it, but it's kind of a tough plastic, so it might work. Then we got some screws in here. That's one screw. Just another screw. And then there's another screw right here. And that's basically how you screw in all of your mounts. And I also have one in my GoPro. So I think this one goes to my GoPro. This is the one that I believe this is the one that actually came with my GoPro. And I grabbed the wrong screw, but and then there's only one more thing left up here. And it's actually a bicycle mount, I believe. You're supposed to put it on your bike handlebars and you're supposed to be able to ride around and stuff. but I don't think I'll ever use this one because I ride my bike a lot, but at the same time I don't think I'll ever use it because it's kind of complex and it might take a little while, and whenever I ride my bike I just like to get up and go. So that's pretty much everything that's in here. It's just a little quick video I wanted to do for you guys. Just a quick little unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back now, and I really hope that this makes my content a lot better because you guys know I use my GoPro kind of a lot. I use it whenever I'm going to the lake or whenever I'm going fishing or whenever I'm doing whatever I'm doing. So anything that I can be recording, I would rather have my chest mount or a head mount because they're a lot better than my other thing that I used to have, because I used to just have a hat that I glued a mount to and then I looked kind of weird, but now I'll have a chest mount so it'll be a little bit easier. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys later. Peace.